So you want to start a channel here on this platform in 2021 and going into 2022. Real questions arise on, is it too late to start my channel? Will it succeed? And how much time and effort do I have to put in order for me to reap the benefits? Monetization. In today's video, I'm going to share on how to start a YouTube channel by using YouTube Shorts. Let's uncover what is a YouTube Short. YouTube Short is YouTube's short form content similar to Instagram Reels and TikTok. YouTube Shorts is essentially short form content as opposed to having the longer form content you're used to seeing here on the platform. And it is 58 seconds, not a minute. If it goes past 58 seconds, it's not considered a short. Where do YouTube Shorts live? YouTube Shorts has its own source of traffic and it's called the Shorts shelf. Similar to TikTok's For You page. Why should you start with YouTube Shorts rather than having long form content? Essentially, you are creating your audience and your community, because the YouTube Shorts videos, they tend to perform a little bit better and end up going more viral. When you do create shorts, those hours that are accumulated, they don't go towards the YouTube Partner Program. Some of the videos that are put on the YouTube Shorts shelf, the algorithm tends to push them out a little bit faster because this is a new program that YouTube has. In other words, they're trying to compete with TikTok and also Instagram Reel. You can grow a little bit faster by pushing out shorter form content. In order to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels, YouTube created a YouTube Creator Fund that is worth $100 million and is given out to creators who are using the YouTube Shorts. Despite not being into the partner program, you are able to create YouTube Shorts and you could still end up getting money from $100 to $10,000 a month. So the first place on where you want to start on creating your YouTube Shorts is picking a niche. I'm sure you've considered on picking a niche, but building a general niche would set the foundation on your YouTube channel and on your business. Now, for example, if you wanted to start a lifestyle or vlog channel, your shorts would consist of mini vlogs or mini in the day of the life or mini try-on hauls. In order for you to be considered on being in the Creator Fund, you have to ensure that you have original content. You can't have content that has the Instagram Reels or the TikTok symbols or logos that are on them in order for you to be considered. And further in the video and into the future, I will be elaborating more on how you can create those with using your phone and also using your camera. In the future, when building your following and your audience, then you can start adding in the longer form content to your channel to increase your watch time for the YouTube Partnership Program. And the best part is that you get to test out your audience to see what they like, what they don't like, what type of content that they're looking for, and also get used to speaking on the camera and doing voiceovers. Now, how you can be successful with short form content, you need to create this foundation first. When creating content, you want to provide value, entertainment, inspiration, education, and the most top one, conversion. The next thing you want to be is authentic. It's a simple concept, but yet it's easily missed. Use what you have currently and then build from there. And the next tip that I have for you is to create a bank of content. Creating content can be extremely exhausting and it can lead into burnout. But if you create, especially when it's short form content, because you are starting off now, it will be much easier if you start to create multiple pieces of content in one sitting. So instead of having to create content every single day, you create a whole entire bank so that you can end up using a scheduler here, like on the YouTube platform. And my last tip is to start. The one question you may ask yourself is, should I start creating videos? The real answer is yes. No matter how awkward you are and no matter how confident you are, start creating content, because brands are willing to pay for people who are creating the content, and your community and your audience is going to gravitate to you because you started. Just start and you'll navigate your own path. I want you to remember this: imperfectly published is better than perfect and unpublished. I will be creating more videos in regards to YouTube Shorts and your content journey, whether it's here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever your platform is. It's coming because there's so much more that goes in greater detail that I can't put into this video, but hopefully this gives you much more of the basics that you need to know in order for you to start. These videos would be from my experience and my personal journey, and the best part is you get to be with me along the way. That's if you subscribe. But with all of that said, if you enjoyed this video and if you learned something, please give this video a like, subscribe, don't forget to juice be yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.